Feeling overwhelmed by the constant chase for marketing trends, pouring money into ads and slashing prices? Here's my question to you. Does following trends guarantee sustainable results? Are big spends on social media truly boosting your bottom line? Does constant discounting build a loyal customer base? Consider businesses you consistently invest in. It's not just about floods of social media posts or discounts. It's about strategic positioning. Successful businesses master creating a market-dominating position, becoming the go-to choice for customers repeatedly. Understanding how to dominate your position is the key. Investing in marketing or trends yields higher returns when you've established your position. So, do you stick with the status quo, unclear position, low returns, constant discounts, or take control, analyze, and establish a robust market-dominating position? Connect with us for a 5-step guide to transform your business.